Is it possible to take interactive activities a step further? Well, I am here to tell you that yes, it is possible. Hello, my name is Oliva Morales, and as our title page says, we are going to learn how to create digital interactive activities using Google Slides. Usually when Google Slides is used, it's used to demonstrate a presentation, but we're going to learn an additional way on how to use Google Slides in the classroom. Let me show you how to create interactive activities your students will love and enjoy. We're taking a step further in engaging students in learning. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step on how to create digital interactive activities that you can use as a review or within your station rotations. Here's an example of a traditional worksheet where students are asked to cut and paste the images according to the correct column. These are all fun and games, but times have changed. This is the 21st century where students are more engaged when the instruction has technology incorporated within it. The first thing you should do is choose the theme for your slide. To choose a theme, you simply choose where it says theme and choose your theme accordingly. I chose this theme because I feel that it set the mood for what I'm having my students complete. After I chose a theme, I have to choose a layout. By choosing a layout, you simply go where it has the plus sign or the drop down arrow to choose the layout I wanted. Specifically for this slide, I chose the blank layout because I feel that you have more freedom and you can be as creative as you want. After I chose my layout, I went to the view option and I went to the master option. By choosing the master option, it will allow you to lock whatever it is you are trying to include on the slide. In other words, when you choose not to view in master, the student will not be able to move anything that was not created in the master slide. So here, whatever I included within the master slide, they are unable to move. However, to edit the slide that was created as a master, you simply go back to view and choose the master option. Here is where you can edit. Specifically for this interactive activity, I inserted a text box to include the directions for this interactive activity. Then I inserted a table of 2 columns, and then I was able to title each column according to what the assignment was. After I completed the table, I went back to view and chose the master option to exit. As you can see, once the slide was not viewed as master, the students will be unable to move the table or anything that was created in the master slide. Then I inserted images from my computer to have the students drag and drop the images to the according column. This activity is known as a drag and drop. Here is another example of an interactive activity that I created. The only difference here is that instead of inserting a table, I inserted shapes to complete the concept map. However, I also inserted text box for the labels where the students will need to drag and drop. These labels would be the only items that they are able to move within this interactive activity because the rest was created within the master view option. Now let's make sure everything is working appropriately for these digital interactive activities. As you can see, they are unable to move the shapes or the directions because they were created in the master slide, and they are only able to move the text boxes that were not included within the master slide. And same here for this activity. So everything looks great to me. Also, don't forget to create a citation slide for the images that you include within your slide. Thank you for watching this video on how to create digital interactive activities using Google Slides. I hope you enjoy creating these interactive activities for your students. However, I hope your students enjoy these digital interactive activities even more.